They don't want to join my crew. Let's go back to our ship. Kung how much worth ito, huwag mo sabihin ni $4,000. Let's get it out there. Let's see who where bang gusto. Go. My ship. This is just bullshit. No. Oh. My ship. Guys, what is better? Growing garden or still a brain rot? Chat in the comments, bro. What is better? Growing garden or still a brain rot? Baka idagdag niya naman ng 99 nights in the forest. Subukan ninyo idadagdag ng 99 in the forest, hindi yun kasali. But my shit. It's not the original. You want to join my team? Kaya na kami dyan sa panalo. Dyan pa natin. The sky. The sky. Oh. What is better, guys? 99 nights in the forest or Roy Garden or still a brain rat? Chat in the comments. Let's see what's more votes. And comment creation fruit if you want in my inventory. Just let me see. Who has a creation fruit? Just join me. My name is dun sa isa kong fan. My name is Pomstar2020. That's my name right there. That's my name. Ang kulit ko. Okay. Fuck you. Let's end this, bro. And comment what you pick. Go, bro.